Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show I have a really cool trick on how to help kids spell, and it's using foam tubing. And you can also use this for mathematics. It's so cool. So get yourself some 2 different colors foam tubing. If you have PVC pipe, that's great. If you don't worry about it. All you're going to need is maybe a basket like this, and I'm going to tell you how to make it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. In order to make this cool activity, you need 2 different color foam tubing. One is going to be for vowels, and the other could be for your consonants. You're going to take the foam tubing and cut it in 2-inch slices like this. Hello, kitty. The cat's always in my show, wants to know what's going on. So once you cut the foam tubing in 2-inch sections, make sure you put a slice right down the middle, so in that way you can fit that over the PVC pipe. With the PVC pipe, I cut this in 14-inch segments, and then I took it outside and I spray painted it blue just to make it more visual appealing. So get yourself a basket. You can put all your foam tubing and your PVC pipe inside the basket, and they can also use the edge of the basket for their spelling. So I like using different colored foam tubing for this, and you can see right here, on here I printed the letters C, A, T, and so the vowels I will usually have as a separate color. So you can put all your vowels A, E, I, O, or U for separate colors. And this PVC trick that I like, that way the kids can hold on to it, and they got something to work with. And if you wanted to, you could even take the foam tubing and put it on the outside of your basket if you don't have any PVC pipe. So that way you can see the word right here. So this also works with mathematics. So for instance, I have a number 3 right here. So I'm going to put my 3 here. And for the blue ones, I made the numbers, and for the green ones, I did this symbol. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you can use this for mathematics, spelling, all kinds of cool different ideas. So another way is to write some different vowels on just one piece, and so that way they can try to make up different words. For instance, we have cat here, and then I can spin the vowel piece around until I can come up with another word. For example, cot. So a lot of cool different ways to use these foam pieces. You can use them for spelling or mathematics. And just to quickly review, I cut these in 2-inch pieces. My PVC pipe is 14 inches long. You can make it longer, but I just felt this is long enough. You can spray paint this, to make it more colorful. Get yourself a basket that's not going to fall out of there, and you can use the basket also to put the different letters on the side. So how cool is that? Hey, hope you enjoyed today's quick tip and trick. Make sure you check out my other videos. I have a lot of cool other educational, math, language arts videos, and some art videos. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.